Most buyers think insurance is something you deal with after you're in escrow. Right now in California, that's exactly what's costing people their deal. Hi, I'm Chris Leeper with eXp Realty, and if you don't check your insurance cost before you write an offer in Riverside County right now, you could potentially lose the house over it. And unfortunately, it's becoming more and more common. The buyer's approved, rates locked, payment works on paper, and then the insurance quote comes back way higher than anyone expected. Now the whole deal's in trouble, and it has nothing to do with the buyer's credit, their ability to qualify, or the price they offered. So here's what's actually going on. California's FAIR Plan, that's the state's insurer typically used as a last resort for homes when private companies won't offer coverage. They just got approved for a 29.1% rate increase starting this October. And in the highest fire risk areas of the state, those premiums could actually double. Now here's the part that matters for us. Most of the inland empire doesn't carry a huge fire risk like we've seen in Malibu or the Palisades. But this local area isn't uniform either. Areas like Lake Elsinore and Wildomar both have officially mapped fire hazard zones inside the city limits. The city of Beaumont is surrounded by undeveloped land, and parts of Eastvale and Norco back up to open hillside. So two homes just a couple miles apart can have really different insurance costs depending on where that specific parcel sits. But it's not all bad news. Large insurers are coming back into California. Farmers, Mercury, Travelers, AAA, they're all writing new business again under the state's push to stabilize the market. That's actual competition coming back after many of these companies announced their exit a few years ago, and it's already slowing down how fast people are getting funneled into using the California FAIR Plan. So here's what I tell buyers. Get a real insurance quote before you write the offer, not after. If you're looking anywhere near a hillside or open field in the Inland Empire, that quote will tell you immediately whether the numbers still work within your budget for that house. Plus, with homes sitting longer on the market, you have time to take this extra step before making an offer. A national survey of homeowners cited by HousingWire found that 49% of homeowners now say insurance costs heavily influence their purchase decisions. That's mainstream buyer behavior. Bottom line, insurance isn't a footnote anymore. It's part of the math right alongside your rate and your down payment. If you want help figuring out what a specific property is actually going to cost to insure before you write on it, let's talk. I've got a full breakdown of this on the blog too. I'm Chris Leeper, your local realtor in the Inland Empire. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.